Lal Chand Malhi. Lal Chand Malhi Urdu, LLCHND Malhi is a Pakistani politician who has been a member of the National Assembly of Pakistan since August 2018. Previously, he was a member of the National Assembly from 2008 to May 2018. Early life and education. He was born on 3 February 1973. He received his education from Umerkot and Hyderabad. He graduated from the University of Sindh. Political career. He was elected to the National Assembly of Pakistan on a seat reserved for minorities as a candidate of Pakistan People's Party (PPP) in the 2008 Pakistani general election. He was re-elected to the National Assembly as a candidate of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf PTI on a seat reserved for minorities in the 2013 Pakistani general election. He was re-elected to the National Assembly as a candidate of PTI on a reserved seat for minorities in 2018 Pakistani general election. On 27 September 2018, Prime Minister Imran Khan appointed him as Federal Parliamentary Secretary for Human Rights. He has spoken in support of the Shri Krishna Mandir Temple in Islamabad. He condemned the 2020 Karak Temple attack, where a mob of 1,500 local Muslims led by a local Islamic cleric and the supporters of Jamiat Ulema-e-Islam party attacked and burned the temple. References